Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to start unit number 13 banks. Students, in this unit we will read about banks, how banks work and how they benefit us. इस यूनिट में हम पढ़ेंगे कि बैंक किस तरह से काम करते हैं और बैंक से हमें क्या क्या बेनिफिट होते हैं. But before starting this unit, first we should know what is a bank. बैंक इज़ अ प्लेस वेयर वी कैन कीप आवर मनी सेफ. स्टूडेंट्स, बैंक एक ऐसी जगह होती है जहां हम अपने मनी को सेफ और प्रोटेक्टेड रख सकते हैं. यूनिट 13 बैंक्स. पीपल लाइक सर्विसमैन, बिजनेसमैन, वर्कर्स, प्रोफेशनलिस्ट एंड एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट ऑल अर्न मनी. स्टूडेंट्स, सर्विसमैन आर द पीपल हु वर्क फॉर आर्म्ड फोर्सेस. वो लोग जो आर्मी के लिए काम करते हैं उन लोगों को हम सर्विसमैन कहते हैं. बिजनेसमैन आर द पीपल हु रन देयर ओन बिजनेसेस. वर्कर्स आर द पीपल हु प्रोवाइड अस डिफरेंट सर्विसेज लाइक कारपेंटर्स, पेंटर्स, electricians. Professionals are the people who belong to some profession like doctors, engineers, etc. And agriculturists are the people who belong to farming sector. वो लोग जो फार्मिंग का, खेती बाड़ी का काम करते हैं उन्हें हम एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट कहते हैं. They do not keep their earnings with them because it may be stolen or robbed. So they need their cash safe at some place. Students, in this world there are too many people and all of them have different professions. All these people earn money from their work. All the money they earn, they keep it in the banks because if they keep their whole salary in their pockets or at their home, it may be stolen or robbed. So they keep their wages in the bank. स्टूडेंट्स, ये लोग जो भी पैसे कमाते हैं ये अपनी सैलरी को अपने बैंक में रखते हैं, क्योंकि अगर ये अपनी पूरी सैलरी को अपने साथ लेकर चलेंगे या अपने घरों में रखेंगे तो वो चोरी हो सकती है या फिर गुम हो सकती है. बैंक इज़ अ प्लेस वेयर यू कैन कीप योर मनी सेफ एंड प्रोटेक्ट इट फ्रॉम बीइंग स्टॉलन. Putting money in a bank is also a way of saving. This saving helps you in time of need or emergency. Student, emergency is a dangerous, unexpected situation. As I described earlier, bank is a place where we can keep our money safe, but by keeping money in the bank, we can not only protect it from being stolen or robbed, but also decrease our spending and save some amount of money from our wages. So we can say that bank not only save our money, but they can also save our money. People who want to keep their money in the bank has to open an account in the bank. Students, can anyone go to the bank and keep their money? No. If someone want to keep their earnings in the bank, he should first open an account in the bank, then he or she keep their money in the bank. अगर कोई अपने पैसों को बैंक में रखना चाहता है तो सबसे पहले उसे अकाउंट ओपन करना होगा और फिर इसके बाद वो अपने पैसे, अपनी अर्निंग्स को बैंक में सेफ रख सकते हैं. The person with his account is given with the checkbook and passbook. Students, when we open account in the bank, it not only keep our money safe and safe, but also give us many services like checkbook, passbook, credit card and debit cards. And students, do you know what is a passbook? Passbook shows the record of the amount which is deposited or withdrawn by the account holder. Students, deposited means to add something, to add money in your account, or withdrawn means to remove or to take away money from your account. पासबुक एक ऐसी बुक होती है जिसमें हम रिकॉर्ड रख सकते हैं कि हमने कितने पैसे अपने अकाउंट में डिपॉजिट किए हैं और कितने पैसे हमारे अकाउंट से विड्रॉन किए हैं. Okay students, this small book marked in blue is the passbook and it is attached with checkbook. Checkbook is an important book. When you need money, you write a check, sign it, go to the bank, hand over the check to the bank officer and the cashier gives you the amount. Student, checkbook is a book of checks which we can use to withdraw money. चेकबुक एक ऐसी बुक होती है जिसे हम बैंक से पैसे निकालने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. स्टूडेंट जब भी किसी को पैसों की ज़रूरत होती है तो वो चेक लिखते हैं, साइन करते हैं, बैंक जाते हैं, अपना चेक बैंक ऑफिसर को देते हैं और कैशियर आपको अमाउंट दे देते हैं। Do you know why it is necessary for the account holder to keep the passbook and the checkbook with himself and take a great care of them? Students, one should keep passbook and checkbook with him all the time because he may need money anytime, or keep it with great care so it may not lost. Banks are useful for the peoples in some other ways as well. You can borrow money from a bank, but you can get the loan only if the bank officer can trust you. These days, some banks are giving people large amount of money as the loan to purchase cars which can be used as taxi. Farmers are given agriculture goods. Students, agriculture goods are the goods that are required for farming, such as tractor or other devices which are used in farming. Student, one of the most important benefit which bank give us nowadays is loans. We can get loans to fulfill our needs, to support our business and for many other purposes, and we can repay it in installments. स्टूडेंट्स, हम बैंक से लोन ले सकते हैं, यानी कि मनी बोरो कर सकते हैं और फिर हम उस मनी को अपने किसी भी काम के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं। लेकिन हम उस मनी को बैंक को रिटर्न करना होता है और हम उसे इजीली इंस्टॉलमेंट में रिटर्न कर सकते हैं, यानी कि किस्तों में थोड़े थोड़े कर कर। Another benefit of the bank is one may get a credit card from the bank. The credit card allows the account holder to make purchases on the credit. Student, bank give us some cards like credit card, etc. स्टूडेंट, क्रेडिट कार्ड एक ऐसा कार्ड होता है जिससे हम अपना कार्ड शो करके कहीं से भी शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं और हमारे जो अमाउंट है वो हमारे बैंक से माइनस हो जाती है। सम इम्पॉर्टेंट बैंक्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान आर यूनाइटेड बैंक, हबीब बैंक, MCB which is Muslim Commercial Bank, and the National Bank of Pakistan. Students, there are too many banks in Pakistan, but these are some important banks and they render great services to our country. Okay students, I hope you understood all about this unit. Now it's time to learn some new and difficult words. Serviceman, SERVICE, service, MAN, serviceman. Businessman, BUSINESS, business, MAN, businessman. Stolen, STOLEN, stolen. Protect, PROTECT, protect. Account, ACCOUNT, account. Deposited, DEPOSITED, deposited. Withdrawn, WITHDRAW, withdraw. Cashier, CASHIER, cashier. Credit, CREDIT, credit. Commercial, COMMERCIAL, commercial. Purchases, PURCHASES, purchases. Serviceman, businessman, stolen, protect, account, deposited, withdraw, cashier, credit, commercial, and purchases. Okay student, it's time to answer some questions related to this unit. Question number 1, what is a bank? Bank is a place where we can keep our money safe and protected from being stolen. What is a bank? Bank is a place where we can keep our money safe and protected from being stolen. Question number 2, what is a passbook? Passbook shows the record of the amount which is deposited or withdrawn by the account holder. What is a passbook? Passbook shows the record of the amount which is deposited or withdrawn by the account holder. Question number 3, what is a checkbook? A checkbook is a book of checks which is used to withdraw money. What is a checkbook? A checkbook is a book of checks which is used to withdraw money. Question number 4, what is a credit card? Credit card allows the account holder to make purchases on credit. What is a credit card? Credit card allows the account holder to make purchases on credit. Okay, student, that's all for today. Thank you.